Hello and welcome back to another DIY video. Today we're going to be changing out this bumper reflector on a 2018 Jeep Cherokee. Before we get started, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel in the bottom right hand corner, and I'll go over some tools you'll need here in just a moment. The tools you're going to need for this DIY is just going to be a plastic door panel trim removal tool like this, or you can just do it with a flathead screwdriver, and of course your replacement part. So before we get started, if you just look at your replacement part right here, you'll notice that there's just a little wedge right here that kind of sits in here and then clips into place. So knowing that information now, I'm just going to use that flat plastic pry tool right here, go from this side, pry it in, come right out. Okay. Once that is out, take your replacement part, just kind of seat it in like that and pop it in. Alright, probably couldn't hear it, but it just clipped in. Very easy, quick video. Make sure you give me that thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm. Again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel in the bottom right hand corner, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.